Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Alright guys, so here is the final look of my asymmetrical soft lock install. It took me a minute, y'all, to kind of get into this length. And then I had a sick kid. I was actually going to take these out a little bit sooner, but I decided to keep them in as they are pretty lightweight and they're pretty low maintenance. Like, I literally don't have to do anything to them. So what I have bought, how have I been wearing them? In a ponytail, because it's just been easier. But I did do it so that if I wanted to put it up, half down in a cute little bob style like that, y'all don't mind. I still need to recut all of these, but it's super cute going up in a half up, half down style, or I can still wear it all the way up in a cute little pony. It could be side side pony all up. I could do a bun, but it's gonna be like a super small bun with this length. I was gonna keep the other length that you guys saw me initially do, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. Y'all saw, I don't know if you guys saw the other video with me doing the asymmetrical bob with the passion twist, but I wanted to kind of recreate that style but with locks, and I also want to recreate that style with the boho locks mixed with the braid. So y'all stay tuned for that look as well. But other than that, I am digging this little cute little style. Like I said, it's super low maintenance. Haven't had to do anything to it. Spray my little oil on my scalp, and that's been literally about it. Like, I would definitely recommend this for vacation or summertime. You go to a pool party or whatever, anything you don't feel like having to do your hair on an everyday basis, this is the style you want. It took me a while to install because these are literally done individually, as you saw, versus me doing them crochet. I tried a new color, guys. I went darker. You know, I usually go with my blondes, and I literally felt so dull. That's the only thing. I felt so dull with this color. I should have stuck with my blonde. So that was another reason why I'm like, I kind of want to take it out because I feel so dull. I've just gotten so adjusted to having blonde hair. It's ridiculous. Like I said, other than that, that's about it, guys. I will say, y'all can see in the back, whole 360. This style is a winner. So yeah, other than that, that's all I got. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.